Welcome to Tiny Bites. Here's your host, citizen scientist in neurology, neuroplasticity, and positive psychology, Sandy Weaver.
So much busyness. Some days I feel consumed by all that needs to get done. Do you ever feel that way too? I keep a to-do list on a whiteboard in my office as a way to keep me focused, especially when my thoughts want to wander in a different direction. It's good to be focused and productive, and sometimes it's good to flip a proverbial bird at your to-do list and go rest instead. When you're feeling overwhelmed, rest. It's the best thing you can do for yourself and your productivity that day. Really. Recognize the difference between a wandering mind and an exhausted one. One needs to focus, the other needs you to close the door, turn down the lights, close your eyes, and just be. Meditate or simply relax with deep, slow breaths for 10 minutes or so. When you're mentally exhausted, those quiet minutes are your key to recharging yourself.
Subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends. And there's lots more at centerforworkplacehappiness.com. Here's to your well-being, one tiny bite at a time.